Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Toyota Tundra steering wheel. Start by inserting the key fully, then turn the wheel gently left and right while turning the key to release the lock. If that fails, try a second key or apply gentle lubricant to the key slot and wiggle slowly. Avoid forcing the key to prevent breaking it, and consider professional help if the cylinder feels damaged. Before you start, ensure the truck is parked secure and the parking brake is set, and have a spare key handy. Use only gentle pressure on the key and steering wheel. Forcing either risks breaking the key or damaging the ignition. A small amount of graphite lubricant can help a sticky cylinder, but avoid oil-based lubricants that attract grime. If cylinder resistance feels abnormal, stop and contact a locksmith for safe extraction. If the wheel stays locked after the basic steps, try a second key to eliminate a worn key issue and lightly lubricate the key slot with graphite. Do not use heavy oils which can gum up the mechanism over time. If the key spins freely or feels unusually stiff, stop trying to force it. At that point, a locksmith can extract a broken key or assess ignition cylinder damage safely and prevent more costly repairs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.